Parentheses will be 3, 11, 33. It is 33 divided by 33 gives us 1. 1 is answer, but 1 is wrong answer. Are you shocked? Let us solve this question correctly. We have division, hidden multiplication, parentheses. We need Pemdas, which is the correct order of operation. Parentheses, here you are looking parentheses will be equal to 3. Here is 11, so 33 divided by as it is. Here is a hidden multiplication, so you can write it 33 divided by 11 times 3. When you have multiplication and division both are same, you have to move from left to right. Division will be at left, it is solved first. We will get 3 times this one. 9 will be our answer. Thank you.